Out here we got some quads, some neighbors, but pay your Canada Askers fee and it's free. We upgraded our kitchen, $200 regular, on for $49.99. Gotta love those end of season sales. Oh, look at how fancy that is. It even comes in a case. I don't think we'll bore you with the details. Maybe check back in and I'll have this set up. So we're testing out our different coffee setups here, just to prove that you don't have to spend a lot of money. We got the classic Paul Revere kettle from the thrift store for $5, and you won't even believe how much they cost on Etsy. The French press, also for $5 from the same thrift store. And a Cowboy coffee maker. I think that was $6 or $7 at the thrift store. So we're gonna figure out what works best for us, and yeah, let's do it. Oh, that's pretty good.
That's good. That tastes better than the instant.
Way better
Tim
than the
Hortons.
instant.
Yeah, it does.
And I think
Actually tastes like
coffee.
more like Tim Hortons and more like coffee.
Yeah. I think, I don't know how that is going to turn out. But this is faster. Boil the water, pour it in, boom, you're done. Eventually it'll build the steam up and come through there, hopefully. That's the idea anyway. That's why that takes a long time. I like the kettle though. It is so weak. That's not even coffee.